Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you a stress-free and beginner-friendly method to earn at least $100 a day without ever leaving your house. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to create sales from your computer or smartphone. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. E-commerce has transformed the way we do business. We can purchase and sell things and services online from anywhere in the globe with a few mouse clicks. Online marketplaces such as eBay and Amazon have enabled small firms and individuals to sell their items abroad without the need for a physical presence. However, competition is stiff and developing a distinct selling point can be difficult. But what if I told you there's a business approach that allows you to sell things on eBay that you do not own or have in your inventory, but only buy them after you've sold them? Dropshipping is a practice that is becoming increasingly popular among online businesses. But what is dropshipping? Imagine managing an online business without the need for a warehouse or inventory control. This is where dropshipping comes into play. It's a retail fulfillment technique in which you do not have to stock the things you offer. Instead, you could partner with a supplier to have the product shipped straight to your consumer, eliminating the need for you to touch or keep the things. You may profit from lower overhead expenses, no inventory problems, and the opportunity to provide a greater range of items without worrying about warehouse space if you choose this approach. In addition, you can concentrate on developing your brand and delivering excellent customer service without having to worry about inventory management. Dropshipping puts the world of e-commerce at your fingertips. The options are limitless, and you may provide your consumers with a flawless purchasing experience while simultaneously increasing your earnings. How does dropshipping on eBay work? Dropshipping on eBay operates similarly to dropshipping on other e-commerce sites. An individual or business sells things on eBay that are already available on other platforms such as Amazon or a retail shop. When a customer buys anything, the seller buys it through a third-party platform and gets it transported straight to the buyer. The vendor earns money by putting a markup on the item's price, which is often a percentage of the sale price. The markup covers the seller's expenditures, including shipping and handling, while still leaving a profit margin. Dropshipping on eBay has the benefit of being a simple and low-cost option to establish an e-commerce business. Dropshipping, unlike typical retail operations, does not necessitate the seller holding inventory or investing in warehouse and shipping infrastructure. This implies that the seller may concentrate on promoting and selling things without incurring additional fees. Benefits of dropshipping on eBay. Dropshipping on eBay has various advantages. For starters, it enables individuals and small enterprises to launch an e-commerce venture without the requirement for a physical location or inventory. This reduces entrance barriers and makes it easier for people to establish their own enterprises. Second, dropshipping enables retailers to provide a broader choice of items than they would be able to if they were maintaining everything in stock. In a saturated market, this makes it simpler to discover a niche or unique selling feature. Also, dropshipping on eBay allows retailers to explore new items and markets without having to commit to acquiring inventory upfront. This lowers the likelihood of investing in a product that will not sell successfully. Furthermore, dropshippers may benefit from eBay's vast consumer base and established reputation as an e-commerce platform by having a ready-made audience for their items. This might result in improved sales and brand awareness. In addition to the advantages of dropshipping on eBay, there are a few more factors to consider while pursuing this business idea. Dropshipping on eBay can be a competitive sector. Other merchants may employ the same method and some may sell similar things. As a result, it's essential to provide a distinct selling point such as lower costs or excellent customer service. To stand out in eBay's congested dropshipping market, sellers must do more than just provide a diverse assortment of items. They must distinguish themselves from their competition and establish a distinctive brand identity. Offering competitive pricing and promotions is another method. This might be accomplished through negotiating lower pricing with suppliers or by providing customers with discounts and special deals. However, it's critical to verify that the pricing approach is sustainable and does not significantly reduce profitability. Choosing the appropriate supplier is vital for the success of dropshipping. It is of the utmost importance to engage with dependable suppliers who provide high-quality items and offer quick shipment. Before conducting business with a potential provider, do your homework. Thorough investigation and verification are required to discover the suitable providers. This may entail conducting online supplier research, reviewing reviews and ratings from other dropshippers, and verifying references and credentials. Using online markets and directories like Alibaba, DHgate, or Salehu to identify suppliers is one option. These platforms connect sellers with a diverse set of suppliers and provide tools for comparing pricing, ratings, and shipping schedules. Attending trade exhibitions or industry gatherings is another strategy to identify vendors. These events allow you to meet suppliers in person, view their products in person, and create connections with them. Even if you're not in charge of the items, you must nonetheless provide exceptional customer service. This involves responding to client inquiries, processing returns and refunds, and addressing any problems that may arise. Even if you do not handle the physical items as a dropshipper, you're still accountable for delivering excellent customer service. This is because you're the seller and the face of the company in the eyes of the buyer. It's necessary to be responsive and communicative with clients in order to deliver excellent customer service. This includes responding to customer inquiries and concerns as soon as possible, giving accurate and complete product information, and offering solutions to any problem that may emerge. To provide good customer service, you may need to invest in tools and technologies that will automate and simplify the process. Customer support software, chatbots, and email templates can all be utilized to assist answers to typical inquiries and concerns. Dropshipping on eBay necessitates careful consideration of legal responsibilities. Sellers must guarantee that all applicable rules and regulations, including customer protection and tax laws, are followed. These requirements might differ based on circumstances such as the seller's location, the suppliers, and the buyer's locations, and the items being sold. To guarantee compliance with these legal requirements, sellers should obtain legal counsel or engage with applicable government organizations or resources. eBay, for example, offers a variety of services and tools to assist sellers in understanding and complying with regulatory obligations. This contains product safety and compliance information, tax and reporting instructions, and resources to assist sellers in protecting their intellectual property and trademarks. Plus, sellers might seek the advice of legal and accounting specialists to verify that they're satisfying all legal duties and minimizing the possibility of penalties or fines. Lastly, to be successful with dropshipping on eBay, you must first establish a strong brand. This entails establishing a strong online presence, producing a professional-looking eBay store, and generating a distinct brand identity. One important aspect is finding the right products to sell. Conducting extensive market research to uncover high-demand, low-competition items will assist you in standing out in the crowded eBay marketplace. To remain competitive in the ever-changing e-commerce world, you must also keep up with industry developments and change your approach accordingly. Experiment with alternative price tactics, optimize your product listings for search engines, or investigate new marketing avenues to attract a larger audience. It's feasible to develop a successful dropshipping business on eBay and reach your entrepreneurial goals with the appropriate technique. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and interesting. If you have any queries or ideas, please post them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest uploads. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.